Growing up, my friends used to call me a Twinkie. Basically, I was yellow on the outside, but white on the inside. It never really bothered me, but let me explain to you why they used to call me a Twinkie. So one thing you may not know about me is that I am a refugee from Vietnam. My dad was a soldier for the South, and when the war was over, it was no longer safe for our family to stay. When we escaped, I was only 1 year old, so I actually don't speak Vietnamese that well, and I didn't know how to cook Vietnamese food for the longest time. In fact, I didn't start cooking Vietnamese recipes until my early 30s. And the reason why I started was because I wanted my kids to know more of our culture, but also I think it was important for me to discover my roots. So one of the first Vietnamese dishes I made was shrimp spring rolls because it was simple and didn't require much cooking. It's basically lettuce, cucumber, mint, cilantro, rice noodles, and shrimp wrapped in rice paper. So after mastering Vietnamese shrimp rolls and many different variations of spring rolls, I just kept at it. I would research recipes online, call my parents a lot about ingredients I weren't familiar with, and just kept testing recipes. Fast forward to present time, I do feel that I did discover my culture through learning how to cook Vietnamese food, and I don't remember the last time someone called me a Twinkie, besides my kids. I really should have never told them that story.